Cool tech under $100. Hello there everyone! Today's video is packed with cool and fun devices that are well worth purchasing, and at the same time, they are cheap. These gadgets vary from decorations all the way up to gaming devices. Before we start, all the product links from the video are at the bottom of the description. If you are interested, please take a look and let's get started. Number 1. Vivify Arquus W73. Wireless connection is no longer a sci-fi story, but let's admit the fact that wired connection is still far more stable, which is an urge during a gaming session or watching your favorite movie. So here's a helping hand from Vivify, which are premium optical HDMI cables with optical fiber technology that are less prone to any kind of interference. That means you won't face signal loss even if the cable is 15 feet long. So say hi to pure 4K gaming without lags or latencies, and it doesn't even matter whether it's a PC or a game console, not to mention the HDR, 10, and 3D content. As for the look, both cables feel strong and sturdy, and they light up along the edges.